All right, here's our practice. We're going to use the number line to drag and drop these in their correct spot. So, first of all, I know 0. I'm going to drag and drop that right there and then in there. Perfect. So it looks like we have 0, and then we have a space here, and then we have 2. So this little, in between 0 and 2, this little mark is going to be a 1. So I'm going to do a little scroll on it. So this is going to be a 1. And then maybe not. And then it looks like they're split into fourths. So this will be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then 4/4 is 1. So if I go, ooh, look, -1. If I go down here, -1. Bingo, bingo. How about positive 1 and 1/4? So I'm going to go positive 1. And then I'm going to go over to that 1/4 because then there's 2/4, 3/4, and then that would be 4/4, which would be 2. So I'm going to have 1 and 1/4. Here's -3, so -2. Here's -3 and 3/4, so -1/4, -2, -3. So then we have -3 and 3/4. And then we have positive 2 and 3/4. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Woohoo! That's going to be it for our practice. Great job.